बेस्ट लार्ज कैप स्टॉक्स टू बाय नाउ। कौन से लार्ज कैप स्टॉक्स हैं जो अभी एट अ वेरी गुड वैल्यूएशन अवेलेबल है? सबसे पहले है इन्फोसिस। इन्फोसिस का पीई है 27 एंड आरओसी इज 40%। ROC भी बहुत अच्छा है and PE is also very nice because average median PE of large software companies is 30. It is a market leading company in its sector. IT sector में second largest company है after TCS. It has posted highest ever annual net profit of 24,000, which is the highest in the last 7 to 8 years. The company is doing very well. The upside potential is 23% from the current price. As per the chart pattern, Infosys 23% चल सकता है, up move दे सकता है. Next company is Bajaj Finance Limited. Very good ROE of 23%. Finance companies में हम ROE consider करते हैं and 23% is a very good ROE for a finance company. It is a market leading company in its sector. Bajaj Finance सबसे biggest company है finance and investment sector में. इसने highest ever annual net profit of 13,000 crores post किया है, which is again last 7 to 8 years में highest net profit इस company ने post किया है. Upside potential gain is 64% from the current price. 64% up move दे सकता है Bajaj Finance. Next company is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is a market leading company, the biggest company in private bank sector. 80% DII and FII की holding है. That means the stock is in strong hands, very strong hands. Highest annual net profit है 60,000 crores का, which is the highest in the last 8 to 10 years. Current price से HDFC Bank can move up to 23%, यानी 23% की up move की संभावना है HDFC Bank में. The next company is Asian Paints. Asian Paints की current PE is 49, which is decent as the average paint company की PE is 50. ROC of 39% is very impressive. कंपनी ने की जो past 5 years की PE थी that is 76 और अभी available है 50 PE पर. तो अपनी past PE के comparison में at a very good valuation available है. It is a market leading company in paint sector. सबसे biggest company है paint sector की. इसने highest ever annual net profit post किया है of 5,000 crores, which is the highest among last 7 to 8 years. Current price से 33% की up move Asian Paints दे सकता है, which can be a very good gain. The next company is Hindustan Unilever, which is again market leading company in the personal care and MNC sector. Median PE for the last 5 years of Hindustan Unilever was 65 and currently वो उसका stock PE है 55. So it is available at a very good valuation. It has posted highest ever annual net profit of 10,000 crores, which is the highest in the last 7 to 8 years. Current price से Hindustan Unilever could move up to 47%, which could be a very good gain. All the information contained in this video is only for educational purpose. Please इसे किसी तरह की buying recommendation नहीं समझना. Please consult your financial advisor before investing or trading. Kindly share and follow us. Thank you so much.